Okay, estamos, we are live. We are live. This is the first time I go live here in Twitter and in YouTube. So let's see if it's working. I don't know. I have to check. It's the first time I use this software. Yesterday somebody told me about it. So let me check. Let me check. I have very important news about Bitcoin. There's maybe something dangerous. I want to talk about this. I want to tell you exactly. Oh, yeah. I see myself now. I'm live. Okay, okay, perfect. Yeah, that's amazing. I would see also if I am live in in YouTube. YouTube, if you are in YouTube, please put a comment and tell me, hey, yeah, Ronnie, I can see you. Let me check this. Let me check this. I'm live also in YouTube. No, I don't. Oh, yeah. I think it's also in YouTube. Oh, cool. That's amazing. No, I don't. Thank you, Vlad, for this nice trip, for this advice to use this software. It's really amazing. And I don't want to take so much of your time. First thing, very important. Bitcoin is above 65K. Now we are checking it. I tell you exactly where I see a possibility for a long trade, where I see a possibility for a short trade. I will tell you what are the possible catalysts, and I will tell you also what are the possible dangers. Is it better to cash out now, take some money out of the table? Is it better to open a long? Is it better to open a short, maybe? So I will talk about this. I will show you the liquidation map, and I will show you that's the most important. How can you get a $500 trade? You can get a $500 trade totally for free. I will show you this. So please stay tuned. I will try here to share my screen. Let me see if I can do this here. Okay. Now, okay. It was something like this. And I think it's too big. Oh, now it's good. Now it's good. And let's enter exactly into what I want to show you here. Only please let me check here in the live stream if we can see it. Oh yeah, perfect. We can see it perfectly. That's amazing. Okay, cool. So what we are looking at, we have Bitcoin here in, I will put it on a daily chart. On a daily chart, a few days ago in a video, I told you what I see, what I think, what we can see here is a possible short trade that Bitcoin is coming here, touching this downward sloping trend line, on this downward sloping channel, and then got a retrace and retrace here to eventually 60,400. I will tell you exactly why I think this. Okay, but you can see here I had an amazing short trade, but if you would have followed this short trade, you are already stopped out. Actually, now, the prices, it would be still in the range, but it left already, so you would be stopped out. But anyway, I'm still thinking that this trade is valid. I'm taking this trade, and I will tell you exactly now what I'm seeing here. Obviously, we left this range here. Okay, so this range is not longer valid, but I will leave it anyway here. It could be important. I tell you why later. Okay. Now, what's the most possible outcome, or what's the most probable outcome as of now? We took this previous high, okay, and we are now here forming something like a W pattern. Okay, so normally, if you see the textbook, then whenever you break here a trend line, I can also put this trend line here, so for a better understanding, if you break this trend line, you confirm the trend line, but with very good volume, then we can talk about a breakout trade, a breakout, and we can expect much more higher prices. But I have to tell you something. Here, the volume, it is some volume here, and it's above the average, but I don't think that is so such a good volume, okay? Because look, when we had here this rise from 58 to 63, there was way more volume, okay? You can see here. So what has happened here? The price is rising, but the volume is decreasing. That's a problem, okay? You can also see here that we are in the on balance, we see a divergence. Why? Because price is going higher, but the on balance is going down and down and down, on balance volume. Okay, so this is the danger. This is why I told you just to take some chips from the table. Okay, I think that we can expect here a retrace to this level, that we will retest this level here, you know, more or less, yeah, 60. This level might be good, 60, 65. So what I'm doing now is I will just leave my short trade open. I did not put the stop loss because when I saw yesterday that there was so much strange, I did not get stopped out. I will just wait. My liquidation price is on 71, and I will just expect a little bit more. I think that we could go even high as this, take out this lows on 70. Okay, maybe. As of now, I think that the next good target would be this, would be the 68, where we closed some daily candles. So that's a very important level, that we just go to the 68, maybe with a wick, take out this highs, because all the stops will have all the shorts will have their stops here as a invalidation point. I will show you also the heat map right now. And I think that at least on 68, we have to go lower. I tell you why I think this, okay? Here you can see the liquidation map, okay? Here, if we come to exactly 63,300, then there will be a huge liquidation of 51 million shorts, okay? So as we go higher, you know, maybe here on 68, they're like 18 million, but this is like, here's almost nothing to liquidate. And you know, the whales, the market makers, the smart money, however you want to call them, they want to take the coins from the people. They want to take the coins from the retail investors that just open along, don't know what they're doing. They think, oh, it's going up from here forever. And so there is not much money to make. But on the downside, yeah, there's some money to make. Look here. Here's also a nice, it's on 62. Can I go lower? Here, no, it's not going lower. Okay, so yeah, I think now on the short term, here is a lot of money to make. Okay, they can go to here to 66.3, maybe they will take out this 67, but then I think from there we have to see a retrace. Okay, so now some data, fear and greed index is on 54, so it's not very much an extreme greed. So I think there's a little bit of time still before a possible crash. But you have to also take into account that there could be always an black swan event. You see now this situation in Israel with Hezbollah, Lebanon, Iran says, okay, we will help you. And that's concerning. And there can be very easy black swan event happen. So take this into account. Let me check here in Twitter. Oh yeah, it is alive. Wow, amazing. Yeah, other news that I want to. By the way, follow me, and if you see me now on YouTube, follow me in Twitter. Ronnie Talks Crypto, but here it's Ronnie with one N only. Okay, here you have a link tree. You have access to $30,000 bonus in Bybit. You have access to a lot of tools. You have it. We have a free signal group. You can get free signals. Just go into this group, and we don't charge anything for it. Oh wow, it looks really cool. Yeah, this was a good idea. I will do live streams now daily. So if you like the information, short, precise, I will also talk about altcoins. I will talk about everything that people really want to understand. I will show how to register in exchanges, how to open a trade, how to close a trade, how to open a long, how to open a short. Whatever you ask me for, I will show you. Okay, but now I told you, how can you get a $500 position for free? So I will leave you here in the comment down below the link. Okay, so you can register also in the pinned comment and the description. You can register to a Bybit account. Okay, you see here it's for me, Ronnie Talks Crypto, and then you will get a $500 position. Okay, you can open a $500 trade. It's basically, if you would have $500 and you would open a trade, you would buy a coin, so imagine this. You have no risk, even if you are not a good trader or you have no idea what you're doing. If you lose it, it's just a bonus. Okay, so register in Bybit, do the KYC. I'm not sure. Okay, you receive a position airdrop from BTC. Yeah, you can open a BTC position. Oh, sorry. I didn't do not share my screen. I just saw. Okay, sorry for that. You register and you get a $500 position in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Pepe, Dogecoin, RD Coin, Arbitrum, Jupiter, Ethereum Classic, or Phantom. You have to hurry up because it's only 82 days valid. Okay, so here in Bybit, it's for me the best exchange on the market. They are very, very safe. I know the owner, I know the COO, I know a lot of people that work there. I work with them for years. So if you lost money in other exchanges, if you think, oh, this exchange is not secure, I can lose my money, or you have lost money or in a hack in other, there was now BingX was hacked and $43 million was stolen. The FTX drama, I don't have to talk about this because everybody knows what happened. Okay, so then register in Bybit, do the KYC, and then open your first trade. And if you don't know how to trade, I can show you this. I will every single day show you trades here. I will show you where I open a long, where I open a short, and I will always tell you, okay, trade with a stop loss, so you will not lose your money. You have to be clear about one thing. There is no such trader that never loses. All the traders are losing. I'm trading for years. I'm constantly losing trades. This trade, for example, normally I lost, but I did not put the stop loss because I wanted to scale this position up on the way up, because I'm sure we will go down again and retest this region. So here is the next trade that I would take from here, from the 64 to the 70,000. So that's a risk reward ratio. Imagine of 1 to 14. You risk $671 in order to make $10,000. Imagine $671 you risk, and you can make $10,000. Where in the world you have a business like this where you can do with $600 $10,000? And maybe this trade will take 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So show me how you can convert $600 and $10,000 any other business in the world. It's not possible. And if you take this trade up to, many people say, oh yeah, Bitcoin will go to 120,000. Let's say it goes to 120,000. So then you would risk $671 in order to make $60,000. $60,000. Imagine. So if you do it with a 10x leverage, you would make $600,000. $600,000. Okay, so this would be a very, very nice trade, and I think it's achievable. The 120,000. All you can see now, the institutions are buying. Let's see here the inflows also. There are normally, we can see the inflows of the ETFs. Here we see the crypto. Okay, whenever we come to this highs, then it's very, very, very dangerous, but we're still good here with the crypto fear and greed index. The dominance of Bitcoin is going down. You can see this is good because then altcoins start to pop up. The open interest is rising, so money is coming into the market. People are opening positions, short and long positions. Okay, but normally there have to be the stable coin market. Okay. Where is the ETF inflow? I always want to see the ETF flow. No, I cannot see it here. Okay, yeah, anyway, now you have more or less an update about the market, about what's going on in the market. Take advantage of this $500 trade. Okay, it's totally for free. You get it for free. You just register here. Okay, you do the KYC and then you go to. I will make a tutorial about this so you can find out how to do it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, any comment, put any question or any doubt, put it in the comments, and I in the next video, I will every single day now do this live stream. Every single day I will be here for you and answer your questions, helping you to navigate through this difficult crypto market. I will share with you updates about altcoins. I really like to trade altcoins. Why? Because they are so volatile. If you have a good risk reward ratio, if you have a good strategy, you can make tons of money. Meme coins I also like very much. Meme coins, they are already listed where you can be sure, I'm almost sure there's no rug. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, put me a comment. If you want to help me, then this video, you can retweet it or you can share it with your friends, with family, with people that really want to make money with cryptocurrency. I see 17 people are watching, but I don't know if you 17 people are watching in Twitter. Let me check this. I cannot see this, or if they are watching in YouTube. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. It was the first time. It was not announced, and I think 17 people for the first live stream. That's not so bad. If you have anything that you want to tell me what I should improve, just put me a comment, and see you tomorrow. Bye.